of the construction. Epcot's largest expansion. Pretty cool. Some more of it right here.
Exciting things are on the horizon. Our flight crew can sign up for one of 2 out-of-this-world missions. And just next door is the new Space 220 restaurant, where you can lift off and enjoy stellar dining in space. At Test Track, you can experience the exhilaration of test driving a vehicle on the longest and fastest ride ever created in the world. Across the lagoon is World Showcase, where you'll find representatives from the host countries, making this a truly international experience. Some exciting new adventures from around the world are coming to France, Canada, China, and the United Kingdom. Join us tonight at the lagoon to celebrate. The land is also home to Soarin', a free-flying adventure across natural wonders. At the Seas with Nemo and Friends, you'll meet some of your favorite undersea fowl and have a live chat with Crush the Sea Turtle from Disney Pixar's Finding Nemo. We're approaching the Epcot monorail station. For our smoking guests, there are designated smoking areas just outside the park.
Hello, how are you? Good.
Okay, go ahead and try one more time.
Good job.
All right.
You're good. Put your finger on it.
We're in. Woo. If I kind of angle my hand like that, it kind of looks like I'm holding the ball. So yeah, basically, half this park is closed off. Yeah, goodness gracious. Like I said, I've never seen this level of construction in a Disney park before. This entire half of Future World is closed. But it's only going to be for the better. It's crazy though. As you see over here, even Test Track is going through a major refurbishment as well. So, yeah, basically, everything over here on Future World is closed. So I guess we're going to make our way over here to World Showcase. Epcot International Festival of the Arts. That's beautiful sight. The Grand Fiesta Tour. It just wouldn't be Disney if there wasn't some random things walking around.
My next friend will come just up here and put right on the big marshmallow. I do like hot chocolate marshmallows. Do you like the big marshmallows or the little marshmallows?
Over down here.
The big marshmallows are the autographed and open, as well as the little passport for our tickets for Magic Bands. We'll freeze behind the wait list for Anna to come get us.
Good job. Give her a hug. Give her a hug. There you go. Perfect. There you go. Listen to baby. Hugs, baby. I'm ready to do Frozen Ever After. You gonna grab the hammer? careful, he might sneeze on you. It's okay. It's okay. I approve. Italian beer. Why not? I'm on vacation. Mother and daughter enjoying their ice cream in front of a beautiful view. It's time for some pizza via Napoli.
That was fun.
Yeah. So then we gotta show up right on time for the reservation, even though you're eating it.
But we do have to ID for the pizza stand.
Yes.
And guys, may would you like a picture together?
Yes.
Clearly the pizza is very good. Mr. Dookies. And this is why I love coming in this store. This is awesome. Never seen that before. New Mario. $130 though. Got Peach too. Cool. Dragon Ball. Naruto. My Hero Academia. Holy. Zelda. Pokemon. Very nice. Very nice. Here. Cool PlayStation shirt. Healing Shield. Lunchbox. Haha. The face got a blue Yoshi going on here. Nice. Some Goku action. Kingdom Hearts. Cool Mario purse. Hat. I always think about getting these Zelda mangas here. Has anybody ever read these before? What do you think of them? I'm always tempted when I come here to buy some of these books. Just a thought. Some Mario Luigi slippers. There you go. Mario backpack. The art of Super Mario Odyssey. Look at that. That is cool. $50. Is that a bag? Encyclopedia, artifacts. Oh, that's cool. A Navi purse. $40 though. Get you some Zelda mints. Socks. Kirby. Cool, man. Very cool. Get your Super Saiyans and Super Saiyan Blues. Get your magic mugs. Very cool. That's interesting. Dragon Ball art. Super Saiyan Blue Gogeta. It's very nice. Bullet Bill and one up. They have a lot of these at Target actually. I've never seen the banana peel before. That's pretty cool. Some Sonic the Hedgehog action. It's really cool. It was really tempting actually. How much is it? I don't have a price on it, dude. Oh, it is $37.95. I've never seen this in retail stores before. This must not be out yet. Sonic Boom, God, this is awful. Oh wow, there's some, if you're a fan of Forces, there's Zorak and Infinity and Infinite. That's pretty cool. I wasn't the biggest fan of Sonic Forces though, unfortunately. Really, almost ready to buy the building. That's really cool. Yeah. Some Metal Sonic. Metal Sonic and classic Metal Sonic is really cool. Huh. Very cool, actually. And of course, you got some Sonic, classic Sonic bundle packs. Plushes, Shadow and Shadow, classic Sonic, Super Sonic. Sonic system. Shirt and backpacks. Yes. Never really been the biggest Pokemon guy, but you know, here you go. They definitely get some love in here. I hate that guy in Smash Bros. Pikachu, of course, front and center, as you can see. Peace sign to a Pokeball here. Nice. And as we make our departure from Epcot, a final look at what eventually will become the Guardians of the Galaxy attraction. I cannot wait. Man, going to be awesome. And this right here is where I will choose to end this vlog. It's not too often where you get to sit out front on your balcony and stare at an illuminated space mountain and Cinderella Castle off in the distance. So, what a grand first day, man. Epcot was awesome. Whole lot of construction. Very excited for the future. So, make sure you catch up with us tomorrow. We're going to do a full day of Magic Kingdom awesomeness. Can't wait, man. Just got to get a good night's sleep. So, as always, thank you for watching. You can follow me at youtube.com/markjack79. I'm also on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. And as always, I will catch you guys on the next one. I'll see you guys later. Bye.